Hey guys, Justin again with Vintage Trailer Works. We're going to talk about maintaining your silicone seals. We're going to take a look today specifically at the one above the hurricane hinge. This is the one that personally I would pay the most attention to, as because of the way we construct this, we place mastic underneath this hinge here, and as a trailer sits in the sun, as it heats up, that mastic will heat up and push away this silicone. So number one, it's just unappealing. Number two, there is a small potential for leaks in that area because of that. So what we'll do is I'll walk you through how to maintain this. It's very simple. What you'll want to do is take a plastic razor knife and just come here, and so you'll want to scrape the silicone seal up and then make sure you get any excess mastic trimmed off as well. And then you'll just take some odorless mineral spirits and clean that surface there so that you can so that the silicone has something clean to seal to. Now that you have a clean surface, you'll want to take your Dynaflex Ultra. This particular is black, but we use black and white as well. But you'll take this and you'll lay your bead right down here. This is very messy, so I don't recommend getting your hands and toes in it because it will get everywhere. And then while you're here, this is a good time to go ahead and check your hinge bolts right here to ensure that they are flush against the hinge. If you look there and you notice any gaps or any degradation on the gasket, this is a good time to go ahead and replace those, because if there is gap or gasket that is, or gap in the gasket, or the gasket is not flush, then water will travel down that screw and drip onto the stainless steel countertop. So some good maintenance tips there. We recommend this if it's outside uncovered. I recommend at least once every other week checking this and make sure that all of your seals are intact. If it's inside and covered, I recommend it either before every long trip and or once every 3 months. And if you do that, the trailer will take care of you and you'll have a wonderful camping experience.